कला एक उत्सव है, एक नई तरंग जो भर देता है जीवन में उत्साह और उमंग. We have amongst us the esteemed founder and chairperson of Rangotsav, the most popular art organization that conducts competitions not only at the national level but also at the international level. The competitions are so very versatile that practically all aspects of art are covered. Mr. Date once participated in an art competition and got a prize. The prize distribution ceremony of which was to take place 10 days later. And during those 10 days, his heart was filled with happiness, excitement, those dreams of joy, the thrill of achieving a prize, the proud moment for the parents, and all that filled his heart with awe. I am sure he cherishes that very moment all through. I know he does, because after that his mind jingled with ideas. He thought every child should get an opportunity and joy. Each one of us is talented, is creative, and just needs a fire to be ignited. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the secret of Rangotsav. This is a platform at the national and the international level, I repeat. Thank you, Mr. Sangramji Date, for giving us this opportunity for participating and showcasing our talent. It is an overwhelming experience for us to have you over. Welcome you, sir. Dr. Vasant Acharya, the non-executive director, whose contribution to the organization is commendable. His valuable ideas and dedication needs no words. It is reflected through his actions. Thank you, sir, and welcome. Mr. Nitin Modwe, the non-executive director again, and another strong pillar of this prestigious organization. He adds colors of hard work and cooperation to the group, which always works with high spirits. Welcome you, sir. Accompanied along is a gentle, sweet lady, Miss Snehal. We welcome you, ma'am. All of them have took special efforts to fly from Mumbai to this part of the country. Your enthusiasm is much appreciated. Your being present will definitely boost the morals of the students. Thank you for honoring us. I also take this opportunity to welcome our esteemed guest, Ms. Harvinder Kaur ma'am. She is the president of an NGO called PEHL. PEHL organizes blood camps, green drives, and even e-waste drives. And she is a wonderful lady, a wonderful person. We are grateful to have you, ma'am. Thank you for coming. I also welcome Minhas ma'am from the Yog Sadhana. She is a scholar, she is a yogini, and she is a superwoman, so to say. Because knowing her personally, she has gone through so much in life and yet she stands strong. Welcome, ma'am. I take this opportunity to welcome the members of the school managing committee, Mr. Sehgal sir, Colonel Pradeep Walia, and the guests of the New Raja Garden Welfare Society. Welcome to the parents as well, who are here to experience the joyous moment of their kids performing on stage or getting a prize. We wish success to each of the students. Enjoy and welcome you all once again to this program of music and dance dedicated to Rangotsav. I see my ex-teacher here, Ms. Narinda ma'am. Welcome you too. It's great to have you over with us. You are always a team. I would like to mention in brief the qualities and activities that are conducted in the school. The Zenith Public School, run by the Zenith Educational Society, is a co-educational English medium school associated with the state board and was started in the year 2003. The journey from 3 to 375 was a long one. Our modus operandi is 35:1 ratio with only one section each. We believe in quality than quantity. We have been going up the ladder as our motto is upswing and uprise. We at Zenith desire to shape the child and mold him or her for the future to face challenges of any sort. Other than the Rangotsav art competition, our students enthusiastically participate in other national competitions such as the GK Olympiad by Unified Council, Gyan Pariksha, and dance and national music competition by Satyug Darshan, and by God's grace, we always do our best and are acknowledged. At the school level, each festival is organized in a great manner, be it in the form of small skit or play, or fancy dress, or talks or debates. Mehendi, Rangoli, Diya, Rakhi making, yellow food participation, and flower arrangements are some of the popular events.